Our veteran Victor Matemadanda is reportedly battling for his life at a hospital in Harare due to suspected food poisoning after attending the War Veterans National Assembly in the capital. Zarabina mashuko kuda pango yenu chinokuwa recently last week takaona kwa kune an event Hema War Veterans when they meet the Zimbabwean leader Pangwa Ine. We first saw this headline Irunyaso Kurazama events which led to his death. But subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Mobile communities Matemadanda, who is also the country's ambassador to Mozambique, was in the intensive care unit yesterday, the source said. It could not be independently verified when he was admitted to the government health institution or where he is said to have suffered the food poisoning. However, it was confirmed that he attended the War Veterans event that was addressed by President mnangagwa last Thursday. Matemadanda is a former ZANU-PF political commissar, having been appointed in June 2019 to replace Army General Njobet Rugeje. His career has seen significant rises and falls within the party. He served as Secretary General of the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association before his removal. In 2016, he was expelled for criticizing Robert Mugabe, but he returned to favor after the 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power. Doma developments are Buda Pangwa in Pangwa in people that in great shock. KUTI recently, Apanakana a week, later these war veterans National Assembly meeting when these war vets, when they met them to come Wenyika. But Pangwa in that was it news. Queen's Iowa, it was suspected KUTI at that event. That's when it was food poisoned. What developments are Buda Pangwa in Ayaskonoka Quincy, Iowa, ma architects, Ariko, Wakomana, they are advancing. Barudaku eliminate threats as a comment section minutes of your aim to give us a bit. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.